This is my voice. It might sound small. You might have to lean in to listen. It might be hard to hear, but it's mine. Do you hear it? My neighbor Lupita heard it loud and clear when I testified against her in court. I was 14 when she lured me into performing for Western men on cameras. She used my family's poverty and my sister's sickness as a way to exploit me. For 6 years, I was forced into satisfying the darkest whims of the men on the other side of the screen. They made me perform vile acts again and again. It's true. When I think of those years, my teenage years, my voice starts to give out. It trembles and flickers like a candle against a breeze. The memories haunt me. Sometimes it seems easier to be silent. But then, I remember 3 things. Mine is one voice among hundreds of thousands of other Filipino children that face this kind of abuse each year. Mine is a voice supported and elevated by people like you. And mine is a voice with power. It stood in the face of legal opposition. It is strong. Other voices have come alongside mine. Month after month, aftercare workers have listened and empowered me. Lawyers have stood next to me and championed my fight for justice. Together, our voices can help change the whole system to put an end to the abuse of other children. So, I will continue to speak up. I will join with the other voices of the Philippine Survivor Network to awaken the world. This is my voice. Do you hear it?